Hello, I'm Timmy. Today I'm going to share a method, even if you're a novice. Just get into the computer. Can be done in this simple way. $30 a pop. That's $120 for 4 sheets a day. After registering through your link, the products he buys in the future, you can get up to 10% of the profits through this platform. So you want to know how to earn yours through this alliance. Extra income from not working. You don't need to show up. You don't have to have your own website. You don't have to have a product. You can earn commissions directly through the affiliate. Therefore, this method is also the most direct way to make money online. Let's cut to the chase and get started. The first step is my AI tool. Pull it straight down. Find this directory where you earn dollars online. Find Fiverr. Let's click to open the Fiverr website. When I came to this website, let's go straight to the bottom of this site. Find here an affiliate alliance entry. We click to open in. All we have to do is sign up for the alliance. Then you can earn a commission by linking, and his commission is very high. All it takes is one successful transaction. You can make $30. You can get a very good commission. If other products are sold, you can get the same 25% commission. Here's what I want to tell you today. A way to make $30 a pop. First, we need to register an account. Fill in your own information truthfully here. Fill in your name according to his request. Fill in English. Then fill in your email username and the password. 2 identical passwords. Next is. This is the option to fill in private account. Whether there is their own traffic source. You can fill in yours here. The website of registered self-media can be filled here. To fill in your country, this allows for registration. This link to our media. After we sign up, you can put it here. This is the Fiverr Alliance registration process. When you sign up, this is what it looks like in here. So important. So let's talk about how do we get Twitter channeled, which is now x.com. We go through this media. You certainly need to be on this x.com site. Create an account. I won't say much about the registration process. It's relatively simple. After registration, you'll have your own account. Then you put your own media link. Make a good copy of your own website. And then just paste it into. We just signed up for this page. I'm just gonna paste it right here, which is media website. After registration, we can promote him and get a commission. It's in the Twitter search bar here. Search for I need a logo. Find the people who need to buy the logo. You can see a lot here. These people. He was even willing to pay $100 or more than $200. These people have a strong desire to buy. How do we bring it to me to buy products? It's usually what they want, which means it's easy to close the deal. We found some logo services here in Fiverr. Here we enter the design of logo. Then there will be a lot of these. Very good designer. The design of this logo. Look for his high rating of 4.8. It seems that his design is very professional. These professional people recommended to him will certainly help him. You can click on it and have a look. You can see the price of it. $35 is fine, if it's acceptable to him. Under $100, the product is still acceptable. Or you can find something a little cheaper, because the design is $10. Just go straight to the one that's cheaper. Then his chances of closing the deal are even better. Now I see it's $10. Or maybe a little better at $35. When you find this service, recommended to him after this logo design, and then we copy that link, you can refer to the content of the reply. I've had the same problems with you before. Want to find such a design logo professional, but I can't design it myself. And these designs are expensive to find. And I finally found this one online. Cheaper and better logo design. I'll share it with you. I hope this will be helpful to you. Such content. You can use it as a reference. We can't just send him this link. This is very rude. The chances of a deal are not high. We make copies of this product you want to promote. After this link is copied, come back to the Fiverr League. Find the promotional link here. Your own promotion links this place. Then type here to find deep link. Here, Paste that link you just put here. Then save. Once saved, he'll be here. He was promoted by your link. So you can get this commission. We can copy this link. This link is too long. I can shorten it. Come to this bit.ly shortened URL. You can set up an account. We'll just create a link to it because I've created it before. Therefore, it says I've created the link. I can change it. Take this one for example. Try another link. Now save it again and then go create. This is new and then it's created and it's got this short link. You just copy it. Copy this link. After setting up, back to what we were going to reply to him about. I'm going to paste it here. And we can see it here. This link, when you paste it here, it's going to look like this. Just appear this product here. We publish the information. Such content, we can copy and paste it and send it to a lot of people. This goes out to a lot of people. So this method, you can find a lot of customers for this demand. He can make a deal out of it. If 100 ads, there were 5 or 3 of them. 5 people make a deal and you make $150. And he's been because a lot of the time, he is the company needs to design this logo. In this case, he will buy again and again. If repeated purchase time, he gets a second commission. That's a 10% commission. There are many more products here. These products can be promoted. It doesn't have to be a logo or anything, or the design of the website, or the design of the blog or whatever. Because Fiverr has a lot of talent. That means you don't have to create a lot of your own products. You don't need to own the product. You can use their abilities to make money for yourself. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.